Energy Development Agency, known as JEDA, is the awardee in the category of innovation in climate protection for 2012. So far as this award is concerned, it is going to motivate us, and it will be possible for us to make the people of Gujarat and the country aware regarding the need of doing small initiatives, taking small steps towards the climate change mitigation. So far as the institution of JEDA is concerned, we have taken several initiatives in the area of energy conservation, in the area of promoting renewable sources of energy, as well as in the area of making everybody aware regarding the need for energy conservation and for the need of using all the sources of renewable energy. We have started a very important and significant initiative which is known as Bal Urja Rakshak Dal, shortly BURD. This is an initiative which involves about 50,000 students every year, considering the strength of 1,500 schools, which are supported by about 1,500 teachers who are known as Urja Agewans. These students are being trained in the areas of energy audit, in the area of good mechanism and the correct system of waste disposal, as well as the purification of water, and importantly the areas of rural sanitation, and in the area of cleaning of schools and decreasing the energy need of the schools as well as their own homes. They audit the energy requirements of their homes and schools, and they at the same time they try to decrease the energy uses of their schools and their homes. They are also advising their parents to take necessary actions, for example to switch off the lights when they are not required to be used. In the same manner, to switch off the lights in their school rooms when they are not required to be open. So these are some of the initiatives taken by JEDA in the area of energy conservation as well as renewable sources of energy. We have made solar cookers very much popular in the past years in Gujarat, and now from the kilowatt capacity of renewable sources of energy, we have commissioned megawatt size plants in the area of wind and solar energy.